everyone, this is Janelle Valiera. You see, people tend to spend more time on sitting, using gadgets, and become more or less active physically. So why not? Why not? Why not turn those movements into something fun and meaningful? Like this performance of ours. So guys, we prepare a performance, a dance rather, that promotes a healthy lifestyle, improving stamina, flexibility, and strength using various movements. Our performance include also energetic movements and vibrant props. Also, this performance of ours is a festival inspired, set with the lively beats of Kinang Pilipinas, our chosen music. But before we start our performance, it is important to start with some stretching to prevent any injuries. Like what are they doing right now? Because a healthy body has a proper preparation. So I hope you guys enjoy our dance.
Sa bawat pagsikat ng araw, kagandahan ay matatanaw. Sa biyayang umaapaw, kultura'y nangingibabaw. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, pasasalamat ang sigaw. Sabayan, sa musika'y iindak ang katawan. Pagkain, sayaw, sining at musika, sumasalamin sa ating kultura. Pilipinas, tunay kang nagniningning. Sa bawat pagsikat ng araw, kagandahan ay matatanaw. Sa biyayang umaapaw, sigaw. Makabuluhang selebrasyon, pasasalamat sa mahal na patron. Ang makulay na pagdiriwang, pasalamat sa kasaganahan. Pilipinas, tunay kang nagniningning.